Okay.
What time is it?
Nicole's gonna sing.
It's 11:15.
Okay, you have 15 minutes. You have to sing. I'm gonna make Nicole sing. Even though our voices are gone. No! My voice is out. Your turn. My Lord. Ako nais malaman. Matagal na kong... Oh shit. Wrong lyrics. Mayroon akong nais malaman. Maaari bang magtanong? You know, it's videotaping your vagina.
There's a Kingdom Hearts blanket on top.
Oh, Chris was right. We're making
It's, what's the song? Alam mo ba, matagal na kitang iniibig, matagal na kong naghihintay, ngunit mayroon kang ibang minamahal. Bakit kaya ako'y di mo pinapansin? Ngunit ganun ba? Nais kong malaman mo ang puso ko ito para lang sa'yo. Ay, nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo.
Akala ko
Kahit na
nagdurog
ang pag-ibig, kung
Novela
sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala. May nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako.
Ikaw
Kung ako ay iyong iibigin. Bakit ba nakita? Bakit ba nakita? Dude, my voice, man. I'm cracking so bad. Kung ang puso ko ay iiwan mo lang at sasanta, kung siya'y higit sa akin.
Shoot, I lost my place.
Naroon ay daramdamin ko
Kailangan lang maghamba
ay aking
pagkat kakayanin ay para mong alipin. Bebo. Ikaw ang akin.
Hoy, pare, tingnan niyo ako.
Ito nang ng
Pino.
Galing sa bahay sa pagbuso. Pumunta nag-elay ay sa baho para makatulong sa nanay. Dahil sa hirap ng buhay, para masyabadan ang gulay.
Sige. Sige.
Nakikasigaw na. Sige, kung magkasigaw na. Sige, kung salamat sa iyong suporta. Filipino! Bebo. Ikaw ang aking.
Dude, I drooled.
It's
See, I'm tired.
See, we could have our own party, even though not.
No, we've had a Sour Patch Kids, Swedish Fish,
And those cookies.
and cookies with peanut butter and chocolate in them, and limited water.
And we didn't eat anything else.
I know.
The fun stuff.
That's it though. And we just ate that. Look, I have a cloud on my phone.
Where's my phone?
I don't know. Right there.
So yeah. We didn't finish our song. Wait, where was I?
Your hamster running is putting you to sleep.
Oh, fuck.
Mm.
I'm trying to remember the lyrics.
I'm so tired. I want to get skin up.
Would you ever pierce your belly button? I was thinking of doing it. Belly button piercing.
I have a mole right here. See?
Oh. Did it fall off the cliff?
Yeah.
the cliff.
So lame. Stop making innuendos. Innuendos. That means we're not using this video because you did that.
No, we are using this video.
No, we're not.
We are.
No, we're not. Then you're gonna bleep that part out.
Sure I will, right?
You
If
will.
you have any control of that.
All these videos I post on.
Oh! Watch. Oh wait, we'll make another video. Hold on. Bye.
Ready?
Oh, she's playing.
You gotta do it?
Okay. Okay, bye.